Alright, boys and girls, the last lesson we're going to learn today is how to find equations with an area model. But again, first, let's remember how to multiply with an area model and how to divide with an area model. So, just like the last videos, the first one we're going to multiply is 3 times 5 equals blank. So when we do an area model, we know that the first number is how many down we're going to do, and the second number is how many across we're going to do. So I'm going to use big dots to help me do this one. Use pink. So I'm going to do 3 down, 2, 3, and 5 across. Now remember, this counts as 1 again when I draw my area model. So I have 3 down and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 across. I'll go ahead and fill in the rest. So in every row I should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I should have 3 down every time and 5 across. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And there's 5 there, 5 there, and 5 there. So when I have 3 down and 5 across, let's see how many we have at all. I'm going to mark it off when I count it so I remember that I've counted it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So 3 times 5 is 15. Now when I divide with my area model, I need to divide 15 items into 5 groups. So I'm going to make 5 groups. Make it a little bit bigger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So those are going to start my 5 groups. And I need to divide the number 15 evenly between these groups. So I'm going to add 1 to each group, one by one, so that eventually I can see how many are in each group. Now remember, I already have 5 drawn. So I'm going to start up here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So I divided 15 dots into 5 groups. So let's show our groups real quick. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. Now let's see how many are in each group. We have 1, 2, 3. There's 3 there, 3 there, 3 there, and 3 there. So when I divided 15 dots into 5 groups, there were 3 in each group. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. So let's see how to find some equations from a model that's already given to you. Now, to find our multiplication factor, we're going to do how many down times how many across equals our product. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 across. Let's see how many we have all together. Now remember, let's put a dot in there once we've counted it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So we see when you have 6 down and 6 across, so 6 times 6 equals 30, ooh, very big, 36. Now, let's make that a little smaller. Now, to divide with an area model, to look at a division problem, when we already counted it, we saw that we had 36 items in all. So we had 36. And we had 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups. And in each of those 6 groups, let's circle our groups. There's 1 group, 2 groups, oops, there's another one, a little floppy. So each row is another group. So in each of these groups, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots in each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if I have 36 in all divided by 6 groups, there are 6 dots in each group. And that is how you find multiplication equations and division equations from an area model.